Hi, Edward Unthank here. I'm going to talk to you about one of the use cases for Agentic AI in Marketo, which is to say dynamic call to actions. But specifically, we're going to be talking about building in a secondary call to action to the primary layer of your communication strategy on emails that you're sending to individuals. So traditionally, when you're sending an email, there's a hey, here's the picture. It's a big thingy like this. You say like blah blah blah. Really appreciate it. Here are 3 bullet points. Here's and then you say like click the link. And then there's an individual CTA here. Take that CTA and then do something with it. Well, what we have the ability to do is to, if you're not going full all in immediately on saying that the recommendation engine of whatever campaign is being targeted, because this is the campaign primary CTA, we're talking about the campaign's secondary CTA. And turning this into a part of the overall template that's being used in Marketo, and then having it being written dynamically via a large language model. So you can imagine what that actually looks like. Primarily, you'd say it's like a super headline, and then there's the content or the body content of the message, maybe 2 paragraphs. We'll say it's 1 paragraph. And then there's the CTA button, and then there's CTA link. And if you compile those together, you can get a fully embeddable, dynamic to the individual person, secondary call to action being calculated, CTA2, being calculated via the large language model, via an agent on the outside who's writing to person fields or to program fields in order to have this. So secondary call to action, you can make it right now. If you're having an AI mandate and trying to figure out how to use AI to its most beneficial, this is one that you can do it basically entirely immediately. Here's the Marketo infrastructure side of it. All I have to do is go into the Langsmith or AI, whatever kind of agentic approach you're doing, in order to make and maintain this secondary CTA that is kind of this AI-based, AI secondary CTAs, we'll call it. So thanks so much. Edward Unthank here, solution architect, solution engineer into Marketo and Salesforce and all of the marketing operations and revenue operations tools over all time. Really like to come up with the fun things. This is a fun thing. We should try it. So thanks so much. I'll see you soon.